Hello, beautiful people. Guess what? It's the month of November, and I'm calling November LaVember. You know why? Because it's my birthday month. Ooh, ooh, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. November 11th to be exact. And for my birthday, I treated myself to a new purse. Black on brand. Here's the box. Brandon Blackwood to be exact. So I've already cut it, so we don't have to go through that. But let's look at the packaging. Brandon Blackwood. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. I'm the type of girl, my mom says when I was like 2 years old, my godmother gave me a purse and I have not put it down since then. She's right. So this is my birthday gift to myself, but one of them, okay? Because you only turn 41, so okay? Treat yourself, ladies and gents. So this is the purse. I ordered a mini bag. Oh, look at that. Look. Has a note. I think this is a note. Let's see if it is. Oh, it is a note. Oh, look at that. Oh, thank you for your purchase. Love, Brandon Blackwood. Oh, God, thank you. That was sweet. I wasn't expecting that. And so now it comes in this nice packaging. Okay. And so y'all can know exactly what I ordered. This is the Mini Kendrick Trunk. And let's see. I like this bag. I love purses that come with bags. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, it's so cute, y'all. Look. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, this is my birthday gift to myself, and it has the Brandon Blackwood symbol here. You can't really see it right there. It has the B symbol there. Oh, this is the fuchsia snake skin. Oh, happy birthday to me. I'm so excited. Look at that. And I love that it has these 4 things, because no, you shouldn't put your purse on the floor. I have like a bad habit, or on the ground. I have a bad habit of doing that, but not small bags, just like big bags. But if you're going on a date, hopefully soon, or just out to dinner to celebrate, you can put this on the table and not worry about it getting dirty. So I love that. And look at this, it feels good too. Let me open the inside. Oh, and it comes with a strap. Okay, something fell, don't worry about that. Comes with a strap, so I can it can hang if I want to or not. And this is big enough to put my phone in there, some hand sanitizer, okay, my money, some lip gloss, and some other things. So that's good. I just wanted a small bag, and just a small bag where I can carry when I'm out and about, feel a little dainty or whatever. Just like, you see me, but do you see my purse? Do you see my bag? Okay. But yeah, I'm excited. This is so cute. All right. It's my first time, but won't be my last time purchasing from him. And I always wanted to. I like to support Black-owned brands, and this is my first Brandon Blackwood bag, and won't be my last. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. LaVember.